Hey guys, welcome back to Radness Technology for another video. And in today's video we are going to look at something really cool, which is the Lifebuoy hand sanitizer superhero kit. Now what is this Lifebuoy superhero kit? It's basically a set of hand sanitizers with superhero themed baggage tags with which your children can easily carry their sanitizer to school or when they are traveling. This is a great way to encourage your children to carry and use hand sanitizers. It's official DC merchandise, as you can see here, and it comes with two different options. You can either get a superhero kit with Batman and Wonder Woman like the one I have here, or you can also get one with Superman and Wonder Woman. So let's go ahead and open up and look at what this kit contains. So up first we have 4 packs of 50 ml Lifebuoy hand sanitizers, and we also have a couple of baggage tags. As you can see, there's one with Wonder Woman and the other with Batman. Alright, and we have 3 more packs of hand sanitizers in here. And what you can basically do is you can insert your sanitizer bottle into the baggage tag and then attach it to any bag that you or your child will be carrying with you when you're traveling. Once you put the baggage tag covers on just like that, this is what your sanitizer looks like inside the baggage tag. At the back you can see the sanitizer details, and at the bottom is where you open up and use the sanitizer, and once you're done you simply close it. And these look really cool, and it will really encourage your children to carry the sanitizers with them and also to use them from time to time. If you run out of sanitizer in any of these bottles, you can simply take them out and replace them with a new 50 ml Lifebuoy sanitizer pack. Now the kit itself costs 200 rupees, which contains 4 of these 50 ml bottles, which normally cost rupees 25 each, as you can see mentioned here. So you have 4 of these coming to a total of rupees 100, and for 100 rupees more you get these additional baggage tags. Now you don't need to keep buying the whole kit again. All you need to do is buy additional sanitizers every time you run out of one, or you can even get a bigger pack and refill the existing bottle itself. You don't have to buy additional bottles if you don't want to. The pack is available on Amazon. The link to purchase this is available in the video description. The MRP is about rupees 200, but on Amazon you get it for about 180 rupees. Now let's have a quick look on how you can simply put these on a bag. Now I have my son's bag here with the strap at the top. You simply put the sanitizer through the strap and then put it through the hole right here. You just have to press it in and take it out from the other side, and with that the baggage tag or the sanitizer baggage tag is now attached to the bag, and this is what it looks like. So wherever your child goes, the sanitizer will go with him, and there's no risk of it falling off, as the grip on the baggage tag because of the silicone material is pretty tight and it will hold the sanitizer in place. If you want to remove it from the bag, just simply pull it out and you can take it off and put it on another bag. So it's a really cool accessory for a child, and it makes for a great gift as well in these COVID times, and every child is going to absolutely love it. Do let me know what you think of this Lifebuoy hand sanitizer superhero kit in the comments below, and do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.